Hi everyone, my name is Keegan Miller and this is week 3, assignment 1, vehicles, stops, searches, and inventories. United States versus Ross is one of the most important cases as it pertains to the scope of police abilities. Because it is so important, it is necessary to understand just how much it impacts police work. To better understand the impact it has, one must discuss why it is so important to police officers and the likely effect that it has on the behavior of police officers. In United States versus Ross, the Supreme Court overturned the District Court of Appeals of the District of Columbia's decision that it is unconstitutional to warrantlessly search the vehicle of someone who has been stopped because of probable cause to believe that they are concealing something that is illegal in their vehicle. The District Court of Appeals decided it was unconstitutional, but after being reviewed by the Supreme Court, it was reversed and remanded by the court. They ruled that police officers who have legitimately stopped an automobile and who have probable cause to believe that contraband was concealed somewhere within may conduct a warrantless search of the vehicle, including compartments and containers within the vehicle whose contents were not in plain view. This would prove to be an impactful decision on police and citizens alike. Because the decision allows police officers to conduct warrantless searches in situations where they may have probable cause, it has a large impact on the police. If they were not allowed to do this, for one, they would be required to hold the person and try obtaining a warrant first before searching their vehicle regardless of probable cause. If they did not do this, they would otherwise be forced to let that person go and hope they can obtain a warrant and still find that person later. Additionally, it would put officers at risk of potential hidden threats concealed from view, like a weapon or an infectious needle. Due to the introduction of the application of this ruling, these are not problems that the police officers have to deal with. Instead, they enjoy the benefit of searching and seizing evidence that would otherwise be prevented from the scope of their reach. On the flip side, it has a likely increased behavioral effect on officers. Because of the significant impact on the power of police officers to search their containers inside of automobiles without having to first obtain a warrant, the opportunity for this power to be abused is magnified. As a result, officers are more likely to make mistakes in searching vehicles where probable cause isn't definitive. In other situations, there are likely abuses of such searches, with officers still doing their best to claim that they had probable cause where it might not have actually existed. This is a major issue, but one that is more of an exception to the rule than and not the rule itself. While it is important that the Supreme Court ruled in the way that it did, there are possibilities for the power given to officers to be abused. However, without it, officers in general would have a harder time enforcing the law in such circumstances where they have probable cause. It is important to understand all of this. Now, because one understands the decision of United States versus Ross and how it impacts officers and their behavior, the overall importance of this case and its ruling is evident, showcasing why the Supreme Court ruled the way that they did and the necessity of their decision. Thank you.